Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is chapter number 1 and lesson number 1, that is about the cells. We all know that we already discussed about the cell in detail. So your textbook page number 22, where we learned about organisms and cells. So what and the how organism, just you know that any living thing, a living organism, you can say that plants or animals, we name them as organism. So what is a cell? The smallest unit of living thing we name as cell. After that, when we finish these two, you can say that the bullets or two headings, we also learn and discuss about multicellular and unicellular. So let's see about their slides. So I'm going to take you on the proper definition, or you can say that the slides of this lesson here we have now. So everybody can see here the slide that is about the organism. What is an organism? An organism is a living thing. Living thing, you know very well, maybe a plant or an animal. They are made of the same tiny building blocks. You know very well about that, just like a home, like a house, like a school, like a building that is made up of small bricks, small blocks. In the same way, all these organisms are made up of very small, very little, tiny building blocks. We name them as cells. For the smallest organism to the largest, they are all made of cells. So you can see here different types of organisms. Here you can see the biggest one as elephant, and the smallest one is bee or fly or butterfly. And also here you can see a flower or a big tree. So these all are the examples of organisms. They all made up from cells. They all made up from cells. They all made up from cells. Okay, till here, if you have any question, please, my dear, raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Quickly, about the organism, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Thank you very much. Well done. Excellent, my dear students. Well done. The students, they are going to reply me via chat. That's very nice. I can't repeat all of your names who are replying me, but that's the excellent thing. Okay. After organism, we know that they may be animals or plants. They all are organisms. Now, after this, we move to the second definition, that is about the cell. What is a cell? We know very well. We discuss about the cell in detail. A cell is the smallest unit of living thing. So the smallest unit of a living thing, we know that that can carry out the basic processes of life. What do you mean? What a life need? Life need to fertilize, life need shelter, life need food, life need respiration. Mean to say everything you are going to do in your life, that should be in the part of a cell. So a cell can do, a cell can perform everything. Yes, my dear, why you raise your hand, please?
Sir, can I explain this cell?
I explain this again to you.
What, teacher?
You want I explain this again?
No. Can I explain this?
Yeah, why not? Please, you can speak. Please.
Okay.
Yes, please hurry up.
What is inside an animal cell?
No, not this. Only about the cell. If you want to say something about the cell, not inside an animal, just about the cell. If you want to say something, please.
Yes, teacher. Can I explain I can explain cell membrane and cell wall?
No, not today. That will be in the next period, okay? In the next week, okay? Not in this period. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Now let's move to the next here. We know the smallest unit of living thing that can carry out the basic processes of life. We name them as cell. So cell, living organisms are made up of cells. So we know that all these living organisms, so where the living organism, these all the living organisms, they are made up of cells. So in plant, the plant cells are totally different from animal cells, but there are few similarities, few parts that are similar in plant and animal, but they are different from one another. There are different organelles that are not same in plant as well as in animal cells. Okay, after that, you can see here what are the organelles, the parts that are present inside the cell. You can easily see that the inside a plant cell and also inside an animal cell. These are the different organelles that are present. So you can see here a chloroplast, but you didn't find a chloroplast in animal cell. Okay, you can easily find a cell wall in the plant cell, but in animal cell you never find cell wall. Understand, my dear? So these are the couple of difference, but there are many others that inshallah we will discuss and study in the higher grades. Okay, after that we move to the next slide, that is about the unicellular. So I'm going to give chance for reading about the unicellular here. A student, only the student, I call him, he should only read about that. So I'm going to give chance for reading. Please don't raise for your hand for reading. I'm going to give chance for reading Maaz Suhail. Maaz, please unmute your mic. Maaz Suhail. Maaz, please unmute your mic, my dear.
Yes.
Yes, yes, please. Can you read the definition of unicellular?
Unicellular or one-celled organism is made up of single cell that carries out all its life process.
Well done, excellent. After that, I would like to give chance to give me the examples. Ammar Yasser. Ammar Yasser, can you hear me, please? Ammar Yasser, please unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, my dear. Can you tell me the examples of unicellular organisms that are here, that are present at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the slide? Can you read these organisms name, please, Amaria sir? Yes, the first one. Hurry up.
Beba.
Well done, very nice. Amoeba. Yes. Next. Very good. Try. Paramecium or paramecium? Paramecium. Okay, well done. And the next one? Euglena. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. These are the three. There are many others, but here I just showed you only these three organisms. They are made up with single cell. So you can see that these three organisms, they are made with one cell. Their whole body is made up of one cell. We name them single-celled or one-celled organism because their whole body is made up of one cell. Understand, my dear? Till here, if you have any question, please, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Then I move to the next slide. Hurry up. Okay, thank you very much. That's great. Excellent class. Mashallah, you understand so quickly and everything so well. Now, the next slide that we already discussed about the multicellular. Multi mean many, more than one. For this, I'm going to give chance for reading and other good boy from this class. Mashallah, you all are good. Okay. Abdul Majid. Abdul Majid, please unmute your mic, my dear. Abdul Majid. Abdul Majid, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please. Can you read the definition of the multicellular organisms, please? Yes. Hurry up. Abdul Majid, sorry, my dear. You have lot of background noise, so I can't let you to speak here. Okay, now next I'm going to give chance for reading Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Muhammad, please unmute your mic. Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Muhammad.
Yes.
Please, my dear, can you read about the multicellular?
Multicellular meal cycle, or many cell organisms are made of more than one cell. Multicellular organisms include frogs, trees, and you.
Well done, very nice. My dear students, many times I requested you, please avoid the background sound, avoid these noises. So please choose a place where you can hear me carefully. There no background sound. If I choose someone and he can't hear me properly, what the benefit of the lesson? So please choose a place where you can sit alone, where there is no background sound. Okay, try to find a corner in your home, in your room, where can you just listen and understand the lesson carefully. Okay, well done, very nice. Now for the examples, I would like to give chance for the examples here. Hussein, please unmute your mic. Thanks for this.
Yes, teacher.
Hussein, can you give me the examples of multicellular organisms, please?
What?
What are the examples of multicellular organisms? Yes. These are in front of you. You can say here. Yes, very good. It's in front of you, like?
Insect.
Very good.
Human body.
You and me and?
Plant body.
Well done. Very good. Excellent, my dear. So that is all about today's lesson. Till here, if you have any question, raise your hand. Otherwise, type no chat. Okay, my dear. Well done. Very okay. Now after that, after this, we have here a couple of questions from your workbook. I'm going to take back you on the screen. Now, everyone, please open your workbook if you have. Otherwise, you can open this workbook page number 3. Here you can see that this workbook page number 3. There you can easily find these fill in the blanks, first 5. So what you need to do, just a minute, I will tell you How do you reply me? Who know the answer? Just type in the chat. Who know the answer? Type in the chat. Okay. So I will see your answer. That's great. That's great. No need to raise your hand. Yes, Talal, what do you want to say? For example, yes, well done. Yes, an excellent.
Teacher, page what?
Page number 3, workbook page number 3. Your workbook page number 3. So Yazan send me the answer. Well done. Very nice. Then Tabbat also very nice. Okay. So the first question also write with number. For example, number 1 is cell. Cell. Well done. Okay. So what will be the answer in the second question? Second, fill in the blank, the correct answer. Hurry up. Every cell in every living thing. Very good. Excellent, Maz. Maz Suhail. Good. Anyone more? But don't forget to write the number. Please write the blank number with it. Number 1, number 2, like this. Well done. Very good. Jadan, your answer is correct. So in number 2, what you can write? It or very good. Split or divide. You can use both these words. Very nice. Excellent, my dear. Okay. Now what will be the answer in number 3? A single cell. Very easy. Well done, Abdullah. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. If I skip some names, it's not mean the other students are not going to participate. They also giving me the answers, but I can't repeat everyone's name. Well done. So number 3, the correct answer is unicellular. Well done. Very nice. And what will be the answer in the number 4? Good. Well done, Muhammad Fayaz, Abdullah Mustafa. Very nice. Great work. MashaAllah. Excellent student. Well done, Saleh Ahmad. Your answer is also correct. That's great. Nice work. Okay. Now last, number 5. Hurry up, hurry up. Wow, that's great. Correct answer. That is 1 billion. Okay, yes, Saleh, what do you want to say, please? Okay, till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. That's great. Thank you very much.
I don't have the workbook.
No problem. You just take the screenshot of this page and just complete it. Okay. Yes, Ali Khalid.
What, teacher?
Yes, why you raise your hand?
Because, teacher, I don't have the workbook.
No problem, my dear. I just shared the screen. This is the first week. No problem about the workbook. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. That's great.